But we'll see, yeah?
Look at the little bunch of nonsense. The left one.
This is Katie eating her pepperoni pizza. And I've got hot dog, and we've got a bloody good salad, which I think looks like a brilliant one, but Kate doesn't seem to. That's over it. I think it's the best salad that we've had. I can't get into it. I'll eat the mouldy cheese first, and then you can have the rest of it.
What?
Yeah.
Will I do it?
No, it's a horrible background.
Oh.
I didn't want that ruining our... Yeah, I know. I didn't want it ruining our pleasant holiday video. Oh, you're being brave now, aren't you?
Disabled one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shoes off, got to leg it back.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to get back in.
I'll have to try and find a shade of spot.
Well, there's lots of shops and stuff over there, Kate. Shall we go have a look around? Where are we?
We're actually at Epcot.
And this is the bus
Yeah, we're just waiting for our bus.
parking lot.
And then this evening we're going to
Try it for the third time to
go to Pirates Cove Golf, and then we got a pack because tomorrow we're going to Florida Keys. Is that what it is?
It's the Orange County Convention Centre.
My face looked really red on the camera.
Oh, really? It's impressive though, it's huge. Yeah. Oh, it's right next to mine. I didn't go very far, did it?
So in 3, well done. Mine's gonna bugger up. Oh my god.
Yay!
4. So what was yours?
3, this is 4. So 2?
Huh?
You got it in 2, yeah?
What?
Would you have to fill it out of the water?
Yeah. You thought it was going to be holding one?
What's going to be? What happens when it goes over there? That's 4.
Yeah. Yours was 2, wasn't it?
Oh, there it goes. Yours came out quite fast actually. Okay. Do you want to just go first on this one, Kat? Can't quite see where the hole is.
Oh, 3, well done.
I think it goes back to the shop.
3. Oh, don't know why I went through.
And the winner is...
No, I haven't counted mine yet.
Oh god, okay. 47.
Yeah, it says out of 40, which is worrying because it means we've done it wrong, but...
What? 49, so I win, yeah?
A 2.
Are we not scoring ourselves properly? I want the finale, come on.
The frog's gone in the water. Oh, there you go.
Wow. That was cool actually. It's better than I thought it was. Is there a frog over there? Oh.
Don't go down the drain.